Financial sector, our next guest calling on regulators to create a more sound banking system by
Squared Private Wealth and Eugene Profit from Profit Investments.
Imagine getting $50,000 for your new business without showing income or tax returns. That sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's a reality. 5 banks will lend you money based on your business credit score alone, and I'm going to reveal them to you in this video. Ready to find out? First of all, let me explain what a new LLC is. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, a popular type of business structure offering several advantages for its owners. One of the main benefits of an LLC is that it protects your assets from the liabilities of your business. If your business gets sued or goes bankrupt, your personal property such as your house, car, or savings will not be affected. Another benefit of an LLC is that it allows you to choose how you want to be taxed, depending on what works best in your situation. You can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. A new LLC is an LLC that has been formed recently, usually within the last 2 years. If you want to start a new LLC, you have 2 options. You can either do it yourself online or hire a service provider to do it for you. Doing it yourself online is cheaper and faster, but requires more research and paperwork. Hiring a service provider is more expensive and slower, but it saves you time and hassle. Either way, you must pay a filing fee to register your LLC with your state. The fee varies depending on the state, but usually ranges from $50 to $500. You must also get an EIN or employer identification number from the IRS. An EIN is a 9-digit number that identifies your business for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. You need to build your business credit score after forming your new LLC and getting your EIN. This is key to getting financing for your business. A business credit score shows how reliable your business is in paying debts. It's like a personal credit score based on your business's financial history. It goes from 0 to 100, with higher scores meaning lower risks and better payment behavior. A good business credit score can help you get loans, lines of credit, trade credit, and other financing options for your business. It can also help you get lower interest rates, longer repayment terms, and favorable conditions from lenders and suppliers. 3 major business credit bureaus calculate a business credit score: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. They use different models and criteria, but they generally consider factors such as your business's age, size, and industry, the number and type of credit accounts you have, the amount of credit you use, and the balance you owe, the payment history and the timeliness of your payments, and the number of severity of the delinquency, defaults, or bankruptcies. By understanding how a business credit score works and what factors affect it, you can improve it and increase your chances on getting approved for $50,000 without proof of income. One of the most important steps is to open business credit card and use it responsibly. A business credit card is a type of revolving credit that lets you borrow money up to a limit and pay it back over time with interest. A business credit card can help you build your business credit score by reporting your payment activity to the business credit bureaus. It can also help you manage your cash flow, track expenses, and earn rewards or cash back. However, you need to be careful not to overspend or miss payments on your business credit card, which can hurt your business credit score and incur fees or penalties. Building a business credit score is not something that happens overnight. It requires time, effort, and strategy. But it's worth it because a good business credit score can open many doors for your new LLC. It can help you get approved for $50,000 without proof of income and other financing options and benefits. But how do you build a business credit score? Well, there are several steps you need to take to establish and improve your business credit profile. The first step is to open a business bank account and use it for business transactions. This will help you separate your personal and business finances and show lenders that you're serious about your business. A business bank account will allow you to accept payments, pay bills, and manage your cash flow more easily. The second step is to get a business phone number and list it in its directories. A business phone number will make your business look professional and credible. It'll also help you communicate more effectively with your customers, suppliers, and creditors. The third step is registering your business with the major business credit bureaus: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. These agencies collect and report your business credit history and score. You must provide basic information about your business, such as its name, address, phone number, EIN, industry, and etc. You will also need to apply for a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet, a unique identifier for your business that lenders and suppliers use to check your credit history. The fourth step is to pay your bills on time and in full, especially those that report to the business credit bureaus. This is the most important factor that affects your business credit score. Paying your bills on time and in full will demonstrate that you are a responsible borrower and can manage your debts well. The fifth step is monitoring your business credit reports and resolving errors or inaccuracies. Your business credit reports contain information about your business's credit history and performance. Lenders and suppliers use them to evaluate your credit worthiness and risk level. You should review your business credit reports regularly and check for errors or inaccuracies that might lower your score or affect your reputation.
We find out what matters most to them. For a business, it's the power.
The sixth step is to diversify your credit mix by using different types of financing, such as loans, lines of credit, trade credit, leases, etc. A diverse credit mix can improve your business credit score by showing that you can handle different debts and obligations. The seventh step is to increase your credit limit and utilization ratio by asking for higher limits and using less than 30% of your available credit. Increasing your credit limit and lowering your utilization ratio can boost your business credit score by showing that you have more borrowing capacity and less debt burden. The eighth and final step is to maintain a positive relationship with your creditors and suppliers by communicating regularly and resolving any issues promptly. Your creditors and suppliers are the ones who report your payment activity to the business credit bureaus and influence your business credit score. Therefore, you should treat them well and keep them happy. Following these 8 steps, you can build a strong business credit score that'll make you eligible for more financing options and better terms. Now that you know how to build a strong business credit score, you might wonder which banks will lend you money based on your business credit score alone. Well, I have good news for you. 5 banks will approve a new LLC for $50,000 without proof of income. They are Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Chase, Capital One, and Cabbage. Wells Fargo offers loans and lines of credit up to $100,000 for startups with no minimum time and business requirements. However, you must have a good personal credit score of at least 680 and a good business credit score of at least 80. Bank of America provides loans and lines of credit up to $50,000 for startups with at least 2 years in business. You'll also need a good personal credit score of at least 670 and a good business credit score of at least 75. Chase offers loans and lines of credit up to $50,000 for startups with at least 1 year in business. You'll also need a good personal credit score of at least 660 and a good business credit score of at least 70. Capital One provides loans and lines of credit up to $50,000 for startups with no minimum time and business requirements. However, you must have a good personal credit score of at least 650 and a good business credit score of at least 65. Cabbage is an online lender that offers lines of credit up to $250,000 for startup with no minimum time and business requirements. However, you must have a good personal credit score of at least 640 and a good business credit score of at least 60. These 5 banks will lend you money for your new LLC without proof of income. But remember, they'll still check your credit score and other factors, such as your business plan, revenue, expenses, cash flow, etc. So ensure you have a solid business idea and a realistic financial projection before applying for a loan or line of credit. And that's it for this video. Give the video a like and share it with your friends who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get to know whenever we upload a new video. See ya!